beautifuls. My name's Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So guys, today in the land of luxury, I decided to pick up the YSL Advent Calendar for 2022 to unbox for you guys today. So guys, this calendar, this Advent calendar is valued at $350, and I purchased this from YSL directly and it was free shipping on this. So guys, without further delay, let's get into this unboxing. So I'm gonna set the camera up from a different angle because I want you guys to really be able to see everything. So here we go. So guys, we're going to start off with number one. And it's wrapped up in this beautiful black paper. And ooh, looks like we have a lipstick, doesn't it? Look at that. And this beautiful gold case. And we do, guys. Look at this. Box number two in our Advent calendar here. And here is our box. Let's see what comes out. Ooh, must be some kind of pencil or crayon. Let's see. For makeup. So this is what we have, guys. And our next item is number three, guys. So number three. And another item wrapped up in here. Ooh, we got a perfume. So that is Black Opium, guys. I don't have this, so I can't wait to smell this one. And this is number four. And let's see what comes out of this one. And everything's wrapped up in a black wrapping paper. Ooh, mascara, guys. Look. Isn't it a pretty mascara? And we have another product here. What is this one here? The Slim Face Effects. This is a leather matte lipstick. Never heard of that one before. And are we just pulling? Yes, we are. So guys, this is the beautiful color that we have here. And I'm gonna just take a quick swatch so you guys can see what it looks like on me. Okay. 6. And this is the Slim Velvet Radical Highly Pigmented Velvet Matte Lip, sleek looking lipstick here. And let's see what color we have. Very pretty. Ooh, look at that red. Oh, that is gorgeous. So let me make another little section on my hand here. Ooh, that is really red. Look at that. That is stunning. Okay, so this is number 7. And this is our product for number 7. Let's see what we have. This is a blur primer. Wow. So that's what this is, a blur primer. And I'm going to take it out here. So you get a primer too. Awesome. And I've never used any of YSL's products, guys. So I don't know how they perform or anything. It's right here. And we got a little box. And let's see what this one is. More black wrapping paper. Make you feel a little special, like it's a little gift, right? And this must be another lipstick. So this is what we have here, guys. And let me take that out. And we got another red. Look at that red. That is beautiful, though. And let me take a quick swatch and show you what that looks like. But that's a pretty red, too. I like that one. Number 9 is right here. And we have a little box here for number 9. And what comes out? See what we have here. Looks like a mascara. It is Mascara Volume Radical. Never used that one before, but that's what we have, guys. So another mascara. And this is number 10. What is this? Oh wow, look guys. Is this like a makeup remover or something? It is makeup remover, I guess correctly. So we got a little makeup remover in here, which is nice. That'll be great for helping to take some of this off of my hand here. Number 11's up here, guys. Let's see what we have for number 11. Oh wow, we have a Pure Shot. I heard about this. So this is like one of their serums, and it's supposed to work really good. And I think they have more than one variety of the Pure Shot. This one is the Night Reboot Serum. So this is our nighttime serum, and I'm gonna pop it out its box so I can show you guys what it looks like. So this is what we have. So this is our number 12, and let's see what we have. So guys, number 12, more beautiful wrapping paper, and it looks like we have another lipstick from YSL. Maybe it won't be red, I don't know. Seems to be a lot of red in here. Let's pop her open. Let's see what we have. Okay, she is not red, but she's somewhat related to the red family. This is more like a, I don't know, like a sienna. Like a sienna. She's related. So let's go ahead and give her a swatch. Oh, it's more pinky mauve. Yeah, it looks more mauve looking to me. So that is the color. And this is our number 13. And what do, ooh, this doesn't feel like lipstick. This feels like a perfume. Oh, it is. Look. Which one is this one? This is Mon Paris Eau de Parfum. And this is, smells very nice, guys. So looks like we got another lipstick. What color did they give us this time? Yep, look at another little beautiful gold little lipstick. This is a makeup heavy advent calendar. Okay, so we have another color. And I'm sure she's related to the red family because we like our reds at YSL, hunty. So we have another red, and I'm going to put this one right here so I can show you guys. That one's a pretty color too. So this is number 15. And what is this? So it's flat. Let's see what we have. And this is also wrapped up in paper. Oh wow, look at this. It's like a little ID holder from YSL. So this is the back of it. Let me put the paper down. And it has like the little gold etched designs on the back with YSL here. And then you actually get a mirror. So it's a mirror. Okay, so this is like a pocket little mirror you could put on your bag or something, or put in your purse. This is very cute. So we have number 16. All right, we got another Pure Shot, guys. So this Pure Shot here is Lines Away Serum. So ooh, that's good. Work on the lines. This is for us more mature ladies that have a few little areas we like to work on. So this is the serum for that one. Let's see what's in here. I'm assuming this is another lipstick. Let's see. I could be wrong. YSL love their lipsticks, honey. Oh no, I was wrong. It is not a lipstick. So we have a Hydra Bounce Lotion and Lotion plus Essence. So this is another skincare product from YSL. I think this would be cool. I can't wait to try that out. So here's number 18, guys. And did we get another lipstick, or what did we get this time? So this is what we got. I have to go to my other. Ooh, look at this case. This is a gorgeous lipstick case. This just makes you feel rich looking at it. Look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, this is stunning. So guys, this is our color here. And I'm going to put it like this so you guys can see. And because we're all out of room on this side, we're going to move to this side of my hand and see what a swatch of this one looks like. And it goes on very gentle and easy and smooth. And let's see what we have for number 19. Ooh, what's this? So this is number 19 that I'm unwrapping. Ooh, what do we have this time? We have, this is our product here that was number 19. And this is Pure Shot's Perfect Plumping Cream. Okay. So they have a lot with this Pure Shot line going on. I'm gonna have to read up a little bit on it because I'm not familiar with it, but we get a little bit of product here for number 19. So let's find number 20. We're on to number 20. Here she is. So let's pop number 20 out. And here we go again. Another lipstick. They should have called this the lipstick calendar. So number 20 is going to be a velvet cream lipstick in the color nude. And this is a velvet matte. So that's what that is, a velvet matte, guys. And let's see. Oh, look at how this one comes. This is a nice looking color here. Let's see what it looks like coming out. A little too much product. Okay. And that's a velvet lipstick. And let's take a swatch over here. Oh, that's a nice color. It's actually nicer than I thought. So not bad. This is number 21. And let's see what we have. And we have a Lash Classic. Lash Class is what they're calling it. And I'm assuming this is like a mascara or something. What is this? Yes, it's a mascara, guys. So Lash Class is the name of this mascara for number 21. 22 is all the way at the bottom here. And let's see what we have. Oh, another lipstick. They said there are many in here. Okay, let me put this paper down here. And we'll pull it out. Now this is a darker red as well. So that is this color red that we have. And I'll try her out for a swatch over here, right? Because we are all out of room on the other side. Very pretty though. Very pretty for this red. We have 23. So let's see what we got in 23. Doesn't feel like a lipstick. Let's see what we have. Ooh, we have one of the perfumes. You know I love my perfumes. Let's see who we have. Oh, is this Libre? Oh yes, that's Libre. Yep. Oh, that is beautiful. It smells so good. Look how much perfume you get in here. You get quite a bit too. Very nice size. If you've never used it before, to try out. That smells so good. Very nice. I like this one. So that is our 23. And last but not least, we're down to number 24, our final product. And number 24, we have Blouse. So we have another perfume. So let's pull that one out and see what we have. So this is Blouse for number 24. So we have our 24 days here in this advent calendar. That we have some beautiful perfumes and everything in here. So that was it. That's the unboxing of the advent. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the YSL advent calendar. It was definitely makeup heavy. I enjoyed all the perfumes that I got. So I really get a chance to try out all of their makeup. Like, I've never used their makeup before, so this will be the first time that I'm using it. I did hear good things about that Pure Shot serum. And the colors were really nice on the lipsticks. I just didn't expect so many of them. But based on the price of some of the things that's in that YSL calendar, advent calendar, I think it was a good deal. I'm very pleased with the items that's in there. I got perfume to try out. I have a whole bunch of lipsticks to try out. I have some of their skincare items to try out. So I thought it was a good box. Let me know what you guys thought about the advent calendar. Hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you think. But until next time, guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.